for military personnel or even outdoorsy guys, precision and finely tuned performance are essential, leaving no margin for error. With the right gear, they can conquer the battlefield and achieve success with confidence. So, in this video, we'll showcase 10 of the most incredible tactical military gear and gadgets, ensuring you're always prepared for whatever comes your way. So, let's dive in. In moments where precision and reliability are critical, the Steiner Optics MPS micro pistol sight shines with its battle-tested durability and military-grade ruggedness. Made entirely of metal with reinforced sidewalls, it seals the emitter completely and boasts a recessed window with a metal hood to protect the front lens, ranking it among the toughest sights available. Despite weighing just 2 ounces or 58 grams, the MPS delivers top-tier Steiner glass quality, featuring 8 brightness levels and an impressive 13,000-hour battery life. Its one-time magnification ensures an undistorted image, allowing for both eyes open operation and full situational awareness. Compatible with an acro footprint, it fits most optic-ready pistols. Built to endure harsh environments, it includes a shock-resistant design and a water pressure-tight laser emitter, while the accessible battery compartment allows for easy battery changes without dismounting the sight. A flashing red light alerts you when the battery is low, ensuring you're always ready. The Steiner Optics MPS is a reliable companion for those who demand durability, clarity, and reliability in their shooting experience. When the stakes are high, having the right gear is crucial. The 511 TAC-A2 gloves are the top choice for law enforcement officers around the world, offering superior comfort and enhanced dexterity in any operational setting. With the patented Tactical Touch precision fingertip design, these gloves deliver exceptional tactility and protection. The breathable stretch nylon back panel ensures hands stay cool and dry, while reinforced finger joints and synthetic leather grip pads guard against lacerations and abrasions. Convenience and security are further enhanced by an integrated sweat wipe on the thumb and a reliable neoprene hook and loop closure. Lightweight and fast drying, these gloves feature synthetic leather suede palm and reinforced thumb saddle for a strong grip and long-lasting durability. The TAC-A2 gloves are the ideal choice for professionals seeking reliable and effective gear for any mission. Made in the United States, the Spartan Armor Leonidas Legend sets the standard for ballistic protection. Constructed with lightweight squadron laser-cut laminate over a Cordura 500D body, this plate carrier offers exceptional durability and comfort. The enhanced catting in the front, back, and shoulders ensures superior comfort and airflow during extended use. The fully adjustable cummerbund with 7 adjustment levels accommodates various body types from L to 3XL and includes a quick release system for fast donning and doffing. The Leonidas Legend is equipped with mole side plate pouches for 6x6-inch or 6x8-inch armored plates, along with multi-directional laser-cut webbing on the shoulder pads and a reinforced rear drag handle for maximum versatility and strength. As a 100% Berry-compliant product, this carrier is a top choice for law enforcement, providing protection and readiness for any mission. On a bright, sunny day during a covert operation, visual clarity is the uppermost priority. The Wiley X Peak Captivate sunglasses deliver exceptional sharpness and protection with Captivate polarized lenses, enhancing contrast and color while reducing glare. This ensures every detail is visible, even in harsh sunlight. Meeting military ANSI Z87.1 standards for high-velocity impact protection, these sunglasses safeguard your eyes in any environment. The lightweight triloid nylon frame provides superior strength and flexibility, while rubberized nose pads and temple grips ensure all-day comfort and a secure fit during intense activities. With lenses offering 100% UV protection from harmful UVA and UVB rays, these sunglasses are perfect for extended outdoor use. The Wiley X Peak Captivate sunglasses deliver unmatched clarity and protection, making them ideal for any outdoor activity. In critical situations where precision and reliability are essential, the CRKT M2114 SFG folding knife proves to be an all-important tool. Its VEF serrations provide superior cutting power on ropes and fibrous materials, ensuring effectiveness in any scenario. The dual hilt enhances grip, preventing hands from slipping onto the blade, thereby ensuring safety during use. Its automated liner safety system keeps the blade securely locked, instilling confidence during heavy-duty tasks. The glass-reinforced handle offers a strong, lightweight grip with enhanced durability, capable of withstanding the rigors of tactical operations. Thumb studs and a flipper enable quick, one-handed blade deployment, ensuring you are always ready for action. The 8CR14 MOV stainless steel blade with a titanium nitride coating. With a blade length of 3.875 inches and an overall length of 9.25 inches, this SFG folding knife stands out as one of the most reliable cutting tools for tactical professionals. Next on our list is the Sciansky P25, a pocket-sized tactical flashlight designed for military and tactical use. Boasting a maximum brightness of 3,000 lumens, it features a Cree XHP 70.2 LED chip, ensuring both brightness and consistency. Powered by a 5,000 mAh rechargeable 21700 battery, this flashlight offers a long-lasting runtime of up to 150 hours. It also includes a strobe mode for signaling or disorienting an attacker. With an IP68 waterproof rating, the P25 is protected against dust and dirt and can be submerged in water with ease. Made of durable aircraft-grade aluminum with a hard anodized finish, this flashlight is shockproof and impact-resistant, making it a reliable companion for any demanding situation. Sequentially, we have the Opsman E-Armor M20, a revolutionary piece of tactical gear designed to protect the hearing of soldiers, law enforcement officers, and other professionals operating in high-noise environments. Featuring an advanced digital circuit, it offers intuitive one-button operation for ease of use even in high-stress situations. The M20 provides two sound modes, indoor and outdoor, to adapt to different environments and deliver optimal sound quality. Additionally, its variable gunshot suppression feature automatically reduces loud and harmful gunfire noises. This advanced communication headset not only offers unparalleled protection against harmful noise, but delivers crystal-clear audio, making it the perfect choice for anyone needing to communicate effectively and safely in loud environments. Now, we have another visual gadget, the Gator's Delta, a high-performance tactical eyewear that is designed to provide superior protection, comfort, and style. Crafted from mil-spec ballistic standard materials, this eyewear is built to withstand the toughest conditions, ensuring maximum eye protection. It features an anti-fog coating, allowing you to maintain clear vision in humid or wet environments. The Gator's Delta's high-contrast lenses offer superior clarity and color contrast, making them perfect for various lighting conditions, especially in low-light environments. Additionally, the lenses are scratch-resistant, ensuring long-lasting clarity and usability. The Gator's Delta seamlessly combines durability, performance, and style, making it an excellent choice for demanding situations. When it comes to protecting your hands on the battlefield, or during rigorous outdoor activities, these gloves are unparalleled. They combine comfort and durability with a padded polyester mesh chassis that ensures a breathable and comfortable fit. Additionally, the combative leather thumb and palm reinforcements offer extra durability and protection for high-impact areas. Designed with the modern warrior in mind, these gloves feature a touchscreen-compatible trigger finger and thumb, allowing you to operate smartphones, tablets, and other electronic devices without removing them. An adjustable wrist cinch closure ensures a secure and comfortable fit. These gloves are also compatible with more alphabet knuckle pads, providing customization options to tailor the gloves to your specific needs. Most importantly, they are U.S. veteran designed and developed, tested, and battle-proven by veterans themselves. And that wraps up our list of 10 incredible tactical military gear and gadgets. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop your favorite in the comments, we're reading them all. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like, hit subscribe, and share it with your squad. And don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss another epic upload.